Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can see account ID on Discord. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly. So let's get started. So first of all, open up your Discord application on your mobile device and simply log in with your account. After logging in, the interface would be something like this. Here you can see that my own server is open. This is a text channel. As you can see, the text. If you swipe right, the servers list will be shown. All of the servers you are in or on will be available here. If you long press on any text, you can see that there is no account ID option available. What you need to do is just tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner. You'll then be able to see your account settings. Here, scroll down and select Appearance. Inside Appearance, scroll down and toggle on the developer options. Now you'll be able to track or take a peek at some of the advanced settings. Then just go to your server chat channel again and long press on one of your send tags. If you notice, now there is a copy ID feature available. You can also access it on your account profile. Simply go back to your profile and tap on these three dots at the top right corner and you'll be able to copy your ID. And that's how you can see account ID on Discord. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.